Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Friday, January 6th, and I have three fun things to share with you today. The first one is the At Water's Edge quilt kit, and this is a McKenna Ryan pattern. I pulled it out of the bag so that you can see it more clearly. Her detail is amazing. Her fabrics are amazing. You can see those fabrics right here. Um, all really beautiful colors. I made one of these that was deer in a winter scene a few years ago, and the directions are also terrific. So that's called At Water's Edge Quilt Kit, and it finishes really small. It's just a 30 by 16, so something you could put into a small space or use as a small wall hanging. Again, that's by McKenna Ryan, and the kit includes over 2.5 yards of fabric to make the quilt top and binding. Next up, we have this is called Strictly Nude Fat Quarter Bundle. This collection of Michael Miller's cotton couture solids in 21 different skin tone colors will be perfect for portrait quilts, doll making, or any quilt including people's faces or paper dolls. So I love, love, love all the colors in that. If you guys know anything about me, you know that my favorite thing to do is make portrait quilts. And I really appreciate that one of our manufacturers is also aware of the colors needed for people's portraits or paper dolls or things like that. So that's now available in the shop. And then lastly, we have a collection called Creation. We start with this panel while I read to you. I love the way the colors in this work. Art photographer and digital artist Tara Turner captures the beauty of her surroundings in creation. The panel shows a tree set in a misty landscape bursting with color. The coordinating fabrics offer cool versus warm contrast and a variety of impressionistic prints. And this is by Northcott Fabrics. And here we have the coordinating prints. I guess this went online yesterday, and we have already gotten orders for this collection of fabric because the staff members cutting orders this morning couldn't find it because it was queued up for the video for today. So if you like this fabric, you're going to want to jump right on it because I know that there are orders already out there for some of these prints and panels. Ooh, love that. I won't even say what we're going to do with it because you guys know. Also very pretty. And of course, these can be used in different applications as well. This one looks very watery, and you can use it for water. That's one of the things I really love when I'm looking for fabrics, is when I'm looking for specific things and I see a fabric in different ways. For example, looking for a beach scene versus looking for a yellow to make a quilt with versus looking for something to match something else. It all could be the same fabric. That's very pretty. Ooh, looks good with my sweater. These kind of remind me of stained glass windows too, or sea glass, yeah. And the final piece in the collection. So again, this collection is called Creation. It's available in the shop and online now. And I probably don't need to remind you, but I will, that every order placed in January gives you an entry into chances to win gift cards here at the shop. We're giving away $100 gift cards every Thursday. And on the 2nd of February, we'll be giving away a $1,000 gift card based on drawing someone who's either placed an order at the store during January or who sent us a postcard. And I will put that information in the link of today's video so that you can also get entered to win $1,000 to Cary Quilting Company. Have a great afternoon. Have a great weekend. And we'll see you back here from the shop on Monday. Bye.